Sanwanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are talking about the latest episode, you guys, of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. This episode, you guys, was hot. Like the stove was on 7 type of hot. So guys, the episode starts off with Unoma trying to convince Uwenzo that they should get away and they should try and like escape from the reality and the drama that they are in, of now their families know Witty they lost the child or apparently lost the child. So she is trying to convince Uwenzo Witty mabahambe, and so that they can get fresh air and forget everything that's happening. And Wens was like, no, that doesn't make sense. Like, both of us, we are low, we are empty, we cannot pour into one another's cups. So it doesn't make sense. Like, why would we want to isolate ourselves from everyone else who is trying to give us the support? So Ugwenzo is not having it. He's not budging. And then he asks Unomalanga, Auntie Wena, why are you trying to shut everyone out? Like, everyone's trying to be here for us. Your father is trying to sue the hospital and is trying to get closure. This is my blood we are talking about. Unomalanga is like, this is also my blood, but this is just too much for me. Everyone is forcing me to relive this trauma all over again. Then Wenzo leaves it. Wenzo leaves it at that, and Unomalanga decides to walk off, you guys. And then we see a scene where it looks like Wenzo and Unomalanga are having some cute picnic vibes underneath their favorite tree, you guys. They are having cute picnic vibes, and they're just loving on one another and saying sweet words to one another. Ukwenzo reaffirms Unoma and tells her that, listen, no matter what happens in life, I'm always going to be there to support you. I will always love you. Reaffirming her, and everything looks cute, guys. And Noma's obviously happy because it looks like their relationship is slowly getting back to what it used to be. Let's park that one there, you guys. We'll come back to that one. Or should we continue? Let's just continue with that. Then, guys, we see another scene where Ukwenzo and Unoma, it looks like they went out for shopping. Now they're in the parking lot, coming back with the shopping bags, wanting to put them in where? In the boot. While they're walking, they basangane with a lady who is pushing a pram, and Gwenzo compliments the lady's baby and says, waziwamuhle, speaking about the child, and then wakhona abongeke. And then Gwenzo opens the boot. Unomalanga goes obviously to sit down while her man is packing the shopping that Unomalanga was doing in the boot. While he's packing, guys, izinto ebhutini, guess what he finds? Athi guys, fake stomach sika Nomalanga. Remember, Nomalanga was wearing a fake stomach, that thing she used to put around, that fake thing that makes you look pregnant. I remember she normally used to hide it in the boots or something like that. Ukwenzo finds that, you guys. He's taking this out, and he is in disbelief because he can see what it is. So Unoma, she's sitting in front, she's wondering why Wenzo she's busy fixing her hair in the mirror, and she's like, Gwenzo's just quiet in disbelief, lifting up this thing to see Bella is his eyes showing him the real thing. Noma comes out of the car. When she comes out of the car, she realizes that Gwenzo found the stomach, you guys. And she is just like scared, and she doesn't say anything. Ukwenzo is also like, in disbelief, and he's just like, what is this, Nomalanga? He just says, what is this, Nomalanga, you guys? And that's about it. We don't get to see her responding. So guys, it looks like Unoma's secret is finally out, and listen, what better person to find this than Ukwenzo? Now, I hope that Unomalanga is not going to try and explain her way out and say that no, I bought a fake stomach to kind of comfort myself or whatnot. I really do hope they put this matter to rest, that Ugwenzo doesn't act stupid as he's been all along, that they allow this to play out, that Unoma's caught out in our lies. Because sometimes these stories, then they try and cover it up, or utolugutu Unoma bega pupa, like stuff like that. I really hope it's not going to be anything like that, but we shall see on Monday of what is what, you guys. Then we see another scene, you guys, where Uteliwe's brother is busy talking with that guy. That guy that Uteliwe hired to poison her husband and hired to play a fake sangoma. So remember that guy said ukuthi ufuna ukulobola yena and he needs cows. So he was making a deal with Uteliwe's brother ukuthi he wants to borrow the cows, Zigababu Vuma, and then once they're done with the negotiations, he's gonna bring them back. I don't know how he was planning on doing that. Baruteliwe's brother and that guy, they had a deal. Uguti, that guy, he's going to try and distract the family for about 2 to 3 hours while that guy tries to steal the cattle and he has to bring it back. So Babu Vuma, obviously you know Wututeliwe had a store, you guys, where they selling amagwinya, fries and whatnot. Ubabu Vuma's at the store. He's there, novele pinosangweni. And then all of a sudden, guys, while they're driving back home, they see the community is arranged like in Atibashayu Munt or something like that. Ubabu Vuma decides to stop the car and gets out. When he gets out, the community is angry. They're carrying sticks. They want to hit this guy. When Ubabu Vuma Mega Sondela, he sees that it's this fake Sangwama guy that he knows about. So then Umparati tells him, Pela, we caught this guy trying to steal your cattle. Babu Vumage gets angry and he wants to hit him. They must call the chief so that they can decide with you what happened with this guy. Obviously, this guy like it's not what it's supposed to be. I was not trying to steal or something like that. When the chief eventually comes, the chief is like, no, we are going to ban this guy. But we're gonna ban him because clearly he's known as just stealing things and allowing people at up. And then he's like, no, it's fine, even if you guys can ban me, but I am not going down Giwan. I am not going down Giwan. And then he spills the beans, guys, like spills the beans on Uteliwe and says, listen, Mfazi Babu Vuma is the one who actually hired me to actually buy umuti, to actually buy poison. She poisoned her own husband so that she poisoned her own husband for her own reasons. And then when the husband wanted to go and see a real traditional healer to find out the truth, she made me act like a fake sangwama so that he couldn't find out the truth. He spilled the beans on everything, you guys, in front of Pabuaband. Ubabu Vuma could not believe it, you guys. He thought the guy is lying up until Ubabu Vuma realized, this guy, like, the information he's giving out is too accurate for him to be lying. Yo, everyone's like, hey bo, uteliwe, inyoga usatanu kobolwa, ke what? While the community is like, hey, uteliwe abaze azophendula izono zakhe and whatnot, the brother Ateli was busy calling her, uyamfonela and telling her, listen, Darama, leave as soon as possible. Bayakfuna, your secrets are out here. Yay, guys, then anyway, we see a scene Babu Vuma going back home. Nenganzake nosbaluba wake. When they get home, then they realize Sangweni and Velepi realized that Uteliwe took everything in the house. Kushuguti when her brother called her while they were still there by the community outrage, Uteliwe has been around Ikopo. She came in, she packed all her stuff and she ran away. So obviously Babu Vuma's like, why is she running away? That means she's guilty of everything that they were saying. And he's angry there. And then Uteliwe's brother's like, no, Spali, calm down and whatnot. He's like, you're telling me to calm down. I've forgiven Uteliwe for so many things. This is the same Uteliwe that took my child. Why am sebenzisa emakishini? Like a whole lot of things. But you can see Babu Vuma is finished. He is finished and he doesn't have anything within him to forgive Uteliwe. Ingane zakhe ke zimile laphayana uVelephi noSangwe, and they don't know what to say concerning what the mother has done. But your guys, it is bad. It is bad. Ubabu Vuma was just angry and he couldn't calm down. Obviously, again, that side, Usamke is hearing the news from her brother, Uvutige, that Uteliwe, her business came out, and it looks like she is still going to take out more of Uteliwe's secrets. This was just an episode, guys, where everyone's secrets came out, and I'm just like, we can finally put this to a rest, you guys. So please, some of you that have not been watching the show because you guys are like, you're tired of the lie of especially Unomalanga's lie. It is finally out, guys. You can go back from Monday and watch the episode. Let's just hope they won't disappoint us and they will Mabarkubege with the storyline because this is long overdue. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.